Good morning and welcome to day 153. I have no idea on the AT. My name is Mosey and this is Rissaroams. Surprise this morning, I was going down to get water at this lovely pond and ran into Split, formerly Fancy Pants, and Bumble. Haven't seen them in a while. Good running into them. Yeah, we spent like 45 minutes catching up. So I am behind schedule. Surprise, surprise, but good catching up with her, running into her. Gonna go grab some water and filter it with this view. All right, water is filtered. We are now on trail an hour later than I should have been. It's just after 8. I have 12 miles to make it to Bethel, which is the goal. We'll see. About 4,000 feet of elevation, just under that. So it's not going to be super chill, but it's not going to be the worst. So I don't know. We'll see how things play out. I have no place to stay yet, so hopefully I'll get service and figure that out in a bit. Man, today's the day of reunions. Just ran into Sparkle. Talked with her probably again for like 45 minutes to an hour. I'm never going to make it to Bethel. It's fine, because even when I get to Bethel, I'm probably going to sit there and wait for the boys so I don't have to do Mahusik Notch alone. Not that I couldn't. It just seems more fun with people. So, yeah, I guess it just is what it is. If I get to Bethel today, I get there. If I don't, I don't. I'm having too much fun talking to people. As I said before, I knew I would be moving slower going south because your girl can't not talk to people. Well, today is the day of reunions. Showed up to Fry Notch Lean-To. There was a huge group of people here having lunch. Saw Barefoot, Chaser, and E.T., and then Puzzler rolled up as well. So that was really cool. So many people today. Really enjoyed catching up. It does kind of light a fire under my tail. It's like, dang, all these people are finishing. Well, they have all of Maine to do because we're so close to the border. But yeah, I still have a ways to go. So we're getting it though. We'll get there. Slow and steady. So I realized I never gave you an update on the guy that had been bothering solo female hikers. So I saw him, the guys saw him, but they were with other people, so they didn't really say anything to him. Once we got off trail, we did contact Border Patrol because we heard that that's who was looking for him. They said they spoke to him the day before and had to let him go, but to let them know if any further incidents occurred, other than asking me for food, he didn't bother me, and the guys weren't too far behind. Did just run into a northbounder who is also aware of the situation and just asked, you know, what my encounter was like, and saying that one of the trail angels here in Bethel kind of is monitoring the situation, and the guy has just been going up and down this section for quite some time, harassing solo hikers for food and money and potentially targeting solo female hikers. So I was hoping my dealings with him were done. Who knows, he may come back through this section while I'm still in it. I don't know. I haven't heard from anyone that they've seen him, but separated from the boys right now, so I should have moved faster today. everyone said you don't really want to do Baldpate in the rain because, well, looks like that straight up. It's starting to rain. You can see that cloud. Great. Well, currently climbing Baldpate. It did sprinkle a bit, but not bad. I think I'm gonna be okay. Not that much further to the shelter. The boys are 10 or 12 miles behind me, I think. I just messaged Too Easy. They're planning on staying at the hostel, or not the hostel, the shelter that I just had lunch at a minute ago. If I had known, maybe I would have hung around, but it's kind of chilly, so probably not. So they're, yeah, that's a mile back. Not turning around though. So I'm gonna go to the next shelter and I think just stay there and then go into Bethel tomorrow. I'd plan on going into Bethel today, but then I would just be zeroing, or not zeroing. I'd be waiting for the boys, and so I'd rather just go in with them, and that way we can roll out and do Mahusik together. Cause yeah, it's just more fun with friends. I don't know if you can tell, probably not, but those leaves are changing. There's been a couple of these sketchy little ladders that aren't secured at all. And I'm like, is this helpful? I don't know that it is. Now, walking straight up that. Wind is insane. Trying to take me off the mountain. All right, just hid behind this rock for a little while from the wind and talked to my mom because I haven't had much service lately. Got a couple more miles to the lean-to. Got to go over the real Baldpates because this is little Baldpate. Yeah, let's go. It's, what time is it? 3:18? Yeah, we're good. There's a rainbow over there. Oh my gosh, I just noticed that. It is cold and windy and spitting rain. I hope this is all it does. I'm not even gonna lie, coming down that in that wind is probably the least safe